Hello everyone and welcome. So in this video we'll be giving a little project update on the project we've been posting content on for the past couple of weeks. Over the past weeks, leveling, building, and making sure that our first work done. And the numbers you see rolling out like show the number of subscribers so far. My little way of showing that I appreciate every single one of them who have taken their time out to subscribe to our videos. It really means a lot to us. And if you've been watching our content, you know that we manually mix our concrete. That's how we do our providing for a couple of reasons. First, we have people who do that for us, workers, and if you don't understand why we do that manually, at least just take it to to mean that we're trying to keep our energy footprints low by going as green as we could. I think that's a pretty good excuse. Do that, we pour manually. We use our vibro screed to make sure we have good finish on top, and that's how we go through the process of pouring the concrete. We did that week in, week out for about a month now. We've been on this project doing that. There are days that wheelbarrow, went bad. We had to weld on site, fix it up, make sure the work keep going. We faced through challenges, working into the night some days, late into the night. So it's about 8 p.m. It's dark already, so we're using the floodlights that are available there on site. There are some days we had maize or corn, like it's called, on site. We enjoyed it during break. And when the rain comes pouring down, we have to cover the wet concrete in plastic just to make sure the rain doesn't ruin what we have done. And, this is a continuous count, subscriber count. Power trowel, our work as usual, being sidewalk, we give it a broom finish, but before that we usually run our power trowels. And we edge some parts of our concrete this way. People seem to particularly like this edging. We got a lot of subscribers in the shots that showed that kind of edging. This is our broom finish process that we use because it's a walkway, and like you see, it rains regularly here, so our go-to finish is usually the broom finish. So it gives the ground a good grip, especially when it's wet. So it's how we started about 2 months ago, and 143 subscribers later, here we are. That's about it. A big thank you to all our 143 subscribers. Yay! Thank you all. So we are still on that project. We'll be rounding up that very soon. We still have some work to do somewhere there. And if you'd like to see anything on our videos, you could comment on that below. We'll be glad to see how we can improve our contents. And don't forget to like the video. We also have a new project video coming up. It's going to be huge. So if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe so you can enjoy more of our contents. Cheers. Bye.